Open it up.
Okay.
Who's it from?
Look at Mommy.
What is it? It's a new hat.
New tiger hat.
Who sent that to you?
Makeup.
No, your Grammy. Can you say thank you, Grammy?
Thank you, Kenny.
Say I love it.
I love it.
Are you so excited? What happened to your other one?
I broke.
How did it break?
It picked.
How did the other one break?
I was great.
Jameson ate it.
He did.
Yeah, he did. What else is in the box, bub?
Oh, yeah.
And Grammy sent you other stuff too. Let me see your hat.
The concert.
Oh, it's a card from Grammy.
That's yours.
It says, "Here is your new hat. Don't let
Mommy,
Jameson play." What?
Prize!
Oh my goodness. What is it?
It's
Stickers.
here, Mommy. There's little buttons.
Little buttons. What else?
The stickers. Here, Mommy. There's more crayons.
Oh my goodness.
And more pajamas.
Oh, all your stuff.
And more.
And more.
And more pants. And more dress.
Ooh, can you say thank you, Grammy?
Thank you, Grammy.
Say I love you and blow her a kiss.
Ooh, this is a good place. Look at this.
Go get your scissors.
Ow, ow.
Jameson.